And we're back, covering and summarising Mel Robbins' The 5 Second Rule. We're now on to the third key principle from the book. Stop waiting for the right time and start pursuing your dreams now. If you want to change the perception your co-workers have of you, all you need to do is raise your hand during a meeting and speak your mind. If you want to add some joy to someone's day, all you have to do is take a moment to compliment them. All these acts require is for you to make a decision, which is something you can always put off by telling yourself that today isn't the right day. Eventually, this can be your life story, forever waiting for the right moment to arrive. So, why not let this very moment be the one you're waiting for? Let the 5 second rule be that tool that allows you to make the choices you've always wanted to make. No one dreams of being a person who didn't do anything, but we tend to wait for the right time, even though a perfect scenario may never arrive. According to a recent survey, 85% of professional service employees are keeping feedback from their managers because even the most talented among us need a push to get back on the right track. Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, was plagued with uncertainty after he and Steve Jobs were offered funding to start their own business in 1977. Wozniak wanted to hold off for a while and worried about quitting his day job until his friends convinced him to take the leap. Wozniak certainly reaped the rewards the world has to offer to those who stop playing the waiting game. The author A.L. James didn't wait for a lucrative publishing deal before writing the overwhelmingly popular 50 Shades of Grey trilogy. She was a working mother with a passion, and she created her own opportunity by self-publishing the book that she managed to write in her free time. 50 Shades of Grey went on to sell 1 million copies in just 4 days, but it never would have happened if she didn't take the initiative.